The Fashion Marketing Bachelor's degree focuses on the connectivity between the brand and the consumer. It is a business degree, and you are focusing as a student on creating brand engagement calendars, running digital analytic reports, conducting target market analysis, managing social media communications, and understanding consumer loyalty and behavior. Some of the projects we do in class are strategically creating activation pop-up shops, influencer strategy tactics. We've also done case studies where we focus on a brand, look at their market strategies, and hone in on whether we think that it's effective or not, looking at their internal and external company habits. We've looked at campaigns. Here we are in New York City. We've done industry visits to locations like Tommy Hilfiger, where we've actually been able to go into their showroom, look at their mood boards, look at the season, the colorways. Fashion marketing students could get into roles like publicity, branding manager. They can also be a social media manager, along with working with partnerships and sponsorships. Marketing analytics is another one, consumer behavior. It's really important to understand who the consumer is and do they directly align with the brand.